the fine leg up is the one to watch out for.
Goes through to the deep. Oh, some good work in the deep out there. Pandya, second delivery, 10 from 5. He goes wide, through the offside, that'll be a boundary. The scoop shot, it gets through, it's a big one. It's a huge boundary for Bangladesh to win. Into the deep, the man coming in, the catch will be taken, it is Shikadawan. Full toss, in the air, the fielder's coming in, Shikadawan for his second catch, he's taken it. What a catch in the deep. Here we go, last ball, through the offside, he's running through, could be run out. Is he run out? Decision pending. He's got him. That's it. India win.